Hello friends.
हेलो गाइज मैले चाहिँ दराजबाट यो माइक्रोफोन अर्डर गरेको थिएँ अनि यो चाहिँ बल्ल अहिले आइपुग्यो भर्खर आयो अनि हामी चाहिँ के गर्दैछौँ पुनम
Now, so we are going to testing the voice quality of this microphone.
and we are also going to sing a song to test
So
its
first we
quality.
are going to sing a song in this microphone. So
Okay.
त्रिशूली बगेर मर्स्याङ्दीमा झरेछ
तिम्रो माया लौ मलाई रक्सी झै चढेछ
हे राफ्टिङ
बिसाउने
बारुनी कम्मर हेर न कसरी मल्लाउने. Okay. And also we are going to do short conversation
between us. Hello Punam, how is your life going on?
Hi, it's going so interesting. Like I'm balancing both studying and taekwondo. Yesterday was my tournament and I won gold medal.
Okay, congratulations for that, Punam.
Thanks a lot.
We are so proud of you.
And how's your training going on?
My training is going good. Actually, I have to go for that, and I will go now after making this video.
And you are enjoying then your training classes?
Yes,
More.
एकदमै नै धेरै इन्जोय गरिरहेको छु अनि आई होप सबैले के प्रार्थना गर्नुहोस् कि मैले मिस मिथिला नारी 2026
Yes.
टाइटल जित्छु भनेर.
As I won gold medal, I also want to see my sis won this title of Miss Mithila Nari. Saturday final
Grand finale.
grand finale.
is going to
Yes,
be
yes, yes.
held.
I want to
Okay.
see.
Okay, thank you, and now bye guys.
Bye.
Have a good day ahead. Have a good time ahead.